Hey y'all, happy Front Porch Friday. It's been a doozy, right? Okay, we got here. So today we're actually gonna talk about the yard because it adds so much square footage to your house that you're probably not even considering it. Realize that the buyer is likely spending more time in your yard than you've spent in your yard in a long time. So be sure it's fresh, y'all. Mow the grass, pull the weeds, sweep the sidewalks, all the things. Be sure that the flowers are planted and they look good. Be sure that your outdoor table is clean. Put the cushions out. Put the flowers on the middle of the table. Put the umbrella up that goes in the middle of the table. You want them to be able to sit outside and enjoy some amount of shade. Just make sure that the outside area is inviting, just like you would have for your guest. Take the grill cover off, y'all. Those black grill covers, they're ugly. They definitely protect the grill. That's awesome. When it's time for a showing, take it off. Let the buyer imagine what it's like to live there, because that's what they're hoping to do. All right, let's talk about ways to improve the utility of your yard. So if you have a big, awesome tree, why not put a tree swing up, y'all? That's what I'm showing you there in the background. Obviously that is one piece of wood and some rope, but it definitely shows the buyer like, hey, there's a place for your kids to play. Our kids are on the swing more than anywhere else. So consider putting a tree swing, and of course you can do it with an old tire that you can get for free. That's a great idea. Another one that I saw recently was somebody had a hill behind their yard, and normally we all go, oh, there's a hill behind your yard. No, y'all, they put a slide down it. It was so cool. I was like, yeah, for sure. I've seen another one where they did like a waterfall feature down the back of their hill. That was really cool. Trampolines are pretty unsightly. Photographers hate them. I'm just gonna say it. If you have any resources to put the trampoline in the ground, everyone loves it. I don't know how much it costs, but y'all, everyone will love the trampoline then, instead of go, oh, how do we get this thing out of here? If you're a gardener, awesome. Write what you're growing. Everybody wants to spend time looking at the garden. They want to know if it's cucumbers or peppers or whatever it is. You want them to stay at the house longer, because the longer they're there, the more they're connected to it. So you want to see, they want to know what you're growing. You want them to spend time looking at that. Of course, be sure you clean up your play set. The kids are going to be out there. They're going to be playing on it. Be sure that they're not going to come in with a bunch of bird poop on their hands. Fire pits are super cheap these days. You can put a fire pit anywhere, put a few chairs around it, and it's really simple for a buyer to imagine that. String lights on your screen porch. That's another big one. Everyone loves string lights, as crazy or as mild as you like them to be. But just be sure that you are showing a lifestyle with your yard just as much as you're showing a lifestyle inside your home. All right, y'all, I hope you have a fantastic weekend. I will be at an open house on Sunday. You'll see it on Facebook. But the cool part about it is there are about 50 of us who are holding them open, and one lucky open house attendee will win 4 tickets to the Knoxville Smokies, as well as some other Smokies gear. So I hope to see you guys there. Have a great day.